right, so we're going to go over some docking technique. We got a couple of obstacles out here, so we got a little less room to work with than a nice open dock. We'll kind of go over what we're doing here. So we're just coming in nice and slow. Slow and steady is the way you want to do it if you can. And I always point the bow right at the dock. So just about like that. And then throw it in reverse and turn the motor the other direction that you were coming in. So in this case, it's to the port side. And just kind of let the boat come back around, not giving any more throttle than need be. And then once it starts backing up, back into forward and turn the steering wheel the other direction. This would be starboard in this case. Get it so where you're almost paralleling the dock, and then back in reverse and the motor the other direction. It's port on this side, and then you should be nice and right up against the dock. Just like that.